All right, so today we're taking a deep dive into making money online, specifically the strategies shared by Jay Froneman.
Yeah, this guy is all over YouTube with his Millionaire Mindset channel.
Exactly. And he really pushes this idea that financial freedom is achievable, like for everyone.
No matter what your background is, no matter how old you are.
He doesn't just stop at the motivational stuff, though. He digs into actual methods.
And the best part is he backs it up with examples of people who've actually made it work.
It's not just theory. He's got drop servicing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing.
Trading strategies. Heck, even how to make money from YouTube itself.
It's like he's showing us a map with all these different routes to financial success, and he's saying, pick your path.
Right, and that's so important because what works for one person might not work for another. You got to find what fits your lifestyle.
Totally. So let's start with drop servicing. This one seems to be getting a lot of buzz lately.
Basically, it's about connecting clients who need a service with the people who can actually do it.
So you're the middleman.
Yeah, but you're the one orchestrating everything, and ultimately you're the one profiting from it.
He actually gives this really cool example of a young woman who built a whole drop servicing business around managing social media.
And get this, she didn't even have any design skills herself.
Whoa, really?
She found freelancers online to handle the graphics, the captions, all that stuff. And then she packaged those services and sold them to small businesses struggling to keep up with their online presence.
That's genius. And it shows you don't necessarily have to be the expert yourself. You just need to know how to connect the dots.
Exactly.
Okay, so then there's e-commerce. I feel like everybody dreams of having their own online store.
Yeah, the thought of being your own boss, selling products you love, it's definitely appealing.
But it's easy to get caught up in what's trending or what seems like a quick buck.
And Froneman warns against that. He's all about finding your niche, something you're genuinely passionate about or that you see a real need for.
Yeah, he tells this really cool story about, like, a retired teacher who loved knitting.
Oh, yeah. And she turned that passion into a successful online store selling handmade scarves and hats.
See? It proves that you can make this work no matter what stage of life you're in.
It's never too late.
Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Honestly, I used to think it was kind of a shady way to make money.
I get that. It definitely had a bit of a reputation.
But Froneman kind of reframed it for me.
He's really big on authenticity. So, only recommend products and services you actually believe in to people who will actually benefit from them.
So it's more about helpful recommendations, less about pushing products for a quick commission.
Exactly. And he even suggests building a strong community first. So any recommendations you make feel like genuine advice from a friend, not a sales pitch.
Makes sense. Now, trading. This is where Froneman really urges caution.
Yeah, he's very clear that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Yeah.
Not about gambling your money away.
Definitely not.
He actually advises starting with a demo account. Practice with virtual money before you risk any real capital.
Smart move.
He also emphasizes learning, whether it's through online courses, books, or mentors. He actually mentions this teenager who started learning about investing through one of those free online simulators.
No way.
Yeah, and he ended up turning it into a pretty successful side hustle.
Wow, that's awesome. I guess it shows that you can start learning about these things early on, responsibly, of course.
Of course. It's all about building a solid foundation.
Okay, and then this one's kind of meta. Making money from YouTube itself.
Just like Froneman does.
Right. But he's very open about the fact that building a following and generating income on YouTube takes time.
And effort, for sure. Consistent effort. It's not just about uploading a few videos and waiting for the money to roll in.
Definitely not.
But he argues that if you're passionate about something and you actually enjoy making videos, YouTube can be a pretty rewarding way to earn.
Now, one thing that really stands out about Froneman is his focus on community.
Oh, yeah. He's always encouraging people to subscribe, leave comments, engage with his content. He wants to have a conversation, not just talk at people.
He wants to build a community around his channel.
Exactly. It creates this really supportive environment where people can learn from each other, share their experiences. It's more than just a channel, it's a network.
So what's the takeaway here? I think Froneman's Millionaire Mindset channel is a fantastic resource for anyone who's even remotely curious about making money online.
Absolutely. It's a great starting point. No matter your age, no matter your background, he shows you all these different methods, helps you figure out what might be the right fit for you.
And he really stresses the importance of continuous learning and being part of a community.
He's not just teaching people how to make money, he's teaching them how to think about money, how to adopt that millionaire mindset.
It's all about taking control of your financial future.
Exactly. So now the question is, what are you going to do with all this information? Which of these methods speaks to you? What's that first step you can take today?
Think about it and go make it happen.
That's what Froneman would want.
All right, that's our deep dive for today.
See you next time.
Catch you later.